How to cross-platform GTA 5 online on PC and Xbox. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this detailed and informative video presentation, I'll thoroughly examine the possibility and practicality of enabling cross-platform gameplay in GTA 5 online, allowing players to interact between their personal computer and Xbox gaming console. Despite the ongoing updates and the new version of the GTA 5, the lack of cross-play functionality remains a major issue for many devoted fans. The longing to seamlessly connect and play across different gaming platforms such as PlayStation, Xbox, and PC continues to be a highly desired feature. Regrettably, Rockstar Games has not yet incorporated crossplay capabilities, resulting in players on PC and Xbox being unable to partake in the cross-platform gaming experiences together. By shedding light on this existing limitation, our goal is to provide clarity and address any uncertainties surrounding the topic of crossplay in GTA 5 online gameplay. So if you found this content helpful and informative, we kindly ask for your support by liking and subscribing to the channel. We appreciate you tuning in to watch our video presentation. Thank you. See you in the next video.